everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. For those who are new here, I want to humbly welcome you and thank you for showing all the love and support. We are going somewhere today. Just have to drop something off in the town center and then we will be on our way to this place. Pauli mutoko place dakoitole hui hoitaiti. So poile ami mashi posta also jay, like I had a parcel to post. So yes, so we'll do that. It's me, Bejo's mom, and Harper who's going. Today is Monday and it's our day off. So that's why it's been few weeks we were thinking to go there. Even Bejo's mom is there, so it's nice, but the thing is she's a bit afraid to go to that place, so she was a bit uncomfortable. She agreed and then let's see how it goes. She's got a bit of a phobia, I would say. Yeah, but Bejo, he's very interested in that place. So I will take you guys there and I will show you where we are going. So stay tuned. This is Bejo, my handsome husband. And I'll show you. There's your fit outfit. And this is my outfit. So it's just very basic, nothing fancy. Oopsie. So I post Kele already and I got quesadilla and churros arle. So Bejo mama churros how so I got her that. And because they already had their breakfast, I didn't have anything. So I'm gonna have mine now. Actually I wanted something yeah, I wanted something Indian, but it's fine. Tacos will do. Not tacos, quesadillas will do. I'll settle for that. So that's tacos there. No, that's churros there. And then I've got my quesadillas. Bejo is very excited that he's going there, he gets to see his favorite animals. Mama mashi bito hi denga. So she's a bit afraid of them. Tu biti ke denga? Popa बहुत स्नाइविंग थे एक गाराड़ी मूव मामा एक गाराड़ी मूव मेरी तो कोहली फोबिया है phobia. Kohli na phobia. Huh? Height phobia. Height achi. Nahi te yas nahi. Ite ride. Ji ya. To kohli phobia hai. Height achi. Viran straight on. To kya hai height hi? Kona to mama to? Maka height hi. But who is Goanvlogger? Which animal? Sorbachi. Maji kitti jan re tu? How kida bitte? Zolle agu. How bit zolle? Koda bitte sanga? Blue dim. Spider. Spider apna te eno te olle asta idare. Kirunda idinga train. Tulas that thing. So I'm scared of them. after the long journey, not that long, from Pauli. I'll show you guys. And there is Harper.
Jurassic Park na level mo.
Are you excited? Are you excited? Ui, tôi đã nhìn thả tụi ra là
ఇష్టమని జాతరల మీద
So Beju is very knowledgeable on crocodiles. Crocodiles are so shocked. Every time for YouTuber crocodiles so he knows like the names and everything. So yeah, that's why he was like very excited. And like looking at the names on the board, he can like recognize them. Like how many can call I wasn't so there. Go this time again. So sarki now mazana. Apoy mama suru. Apoy mama. Green python हुई तो
भाई तो ना मनाओ राहुल Green anaconda. Timon. Timon.
Really?
Upui Timon, upui sani. Kasi crocodile awe. Kuru na. Parang Kisali ko. आईडी कोडी उठका गेल दिसतो की ते बी हांगाडी
तो चोड गरम हाले नो रानुले नानी भितर मारला
डेडली मुको मोटो ड्रैगन હું કેલ ગુતો
Papa is having her lunch. And now बेजो घराकड गेलोलो आणि हांव आनी मामा दोगांय शॉपिंग कोत्ताली तेन आपणाक घेयला कितें येयली
जादे सादे शॉपिंग कोण रावतल ते
आणि आमी आतां हिंगा रेस्टॉरंट आयिल्ले कसला रे बरा हा
बरी सारखी बरी स्ट्रॉंग
मामा बोर लागली
बरी स्ट्रॉंग म्हणत
हा स्ट्रॉंग
तो येतो एक ग्लास पिऊन मस्त ना जातो की लिंगी झाली
So this is chorizos, prawns, pork, empadas, chorizo and prawns potatoes, prawns, calamari and beans for Harper. So आता आमचे जेवण बसवले झाले आणि आम्ही घरा वयताय आता. The food was really nice there. मामा बोल लागले जेवण बिल्बी तुक बोल लागले टेस्टी हाले बरे हा जेवण and then the cocktails were really nice. The only thing was like तिथून चोड ice हल्लो. How was it, Pechu? Did you enjoy?
It was good.
Yeah, it was really nice. Like, you know, the crocodiles, like kitle bashiche, like different types. They've got like alligators, crocodiles, is it meerkats? They've got like meerkats and like the small primates, like the small monkeys. Komodo dragons, monitor lizards.
Tortoise.
Yeah. Tortoise.
Like
leopard yeah, so this like mostly kind of like reptile, I would say.
Anaconda na?
Anaconda. Overall, like, you know, if you enjoy like reptile, particularly crocodiles, then you know, you'll enjoy it. Yeah. So the YouTube but the crocodiles if you look at his search history, it's all about crocodiles and sharks. So shark now zanto crocodiles now zanto. So when we went there, he was like just naming the, you know, crocodiles without even looking at the cards. It was very fun for him, and then Harper enjoyed as well, and then his mom enjoyed as well because she was a bit afraid to go there first. They like nai, but then she was comfortable once she reached there and enjoyed. Yeah, it was nice, like, you know, spend time and overall bare hale experience amche me Krishmal tinge layapoy. So actually आम्ही नो अशें करून बरी आम्ही कालो डिसायड केलेलें आमी नेक्स्ट टायम ऑफ आहाय तेन्ना बरी मुवी पळोवया म्हणून सगळीं आनी कृष्ण म्हणपा लागलें आपूण ऑफ आहा आयज आनी हांव नाका मेगन ऑफ आहा जाल्यार सो पळोवया and yeah we missed Bejo's dad is like he loves those kinds of animals, like, you know, like crocodiles and everything. So yeah, we really missed him. If he was then he would have been like enjoyed it like nare that also let's sort of enjoy it. I'm सांगणार शोन जेव्हा गेलेली आम्ही घरा आली Holy movie रे
आमचं रजनीकांत बाबा आमचं रजनीकांत.
and we've got all our snacks ready like drinks snacks सगळे ready केले आता आणि आता आम्ही movie पळयतली बरी बसून आणि
Thank you.
it was really nice having them here and this was like very spontaneous as well.
आपण लो चिप्स आहे आता लो
फ्राईज खाता लो आम्ही उलयताय म्हणल्यार ते सायडीच्यान फ्राईज खाता मेघनान दोलते का हा मामान दोलते का आनीक yeah I will see you guys in my next vlog until then share kindness and let love guide you. Bye bye.
Adios.